Hi guys, this is Katrina and I'd like to welcome you back to my channel if you're an old-time subscriber, and I'd like to say welcome if you are new here. And if you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So in this video, I am just going to be an update on the Gigi Pro Wax kit that I purchased from Sally's. I wanted to do an update just to let you all know if I needed everything in the kit or if I could have done without some of the products that were included in the kit. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is the warmer that comes in the kit. I mean, I have no problems with the warmer. It warms the wax as it should. I have no complaints about it. I like the fact that it does have the adjustable little lever there. It has where you can go from low to high, to heat up your wax. So the next item that came in the kit is the honey cream wax, and it was actually a 14-ounce can. I did not use this wax. I actually gave it to my friend. When she used it, she said that the wax was really runny and messy and she didn't really care for it. So that is just something to keep in mind. So the next items that are included in the kit are 8 of the petite, small, and large spatulas. This is what the petite looks like, and I'm assuming like you can use this for your brows or your lip if need be. The next size is the small size. This is a size that I like to use for my lip and my chin. It's not too small and it's not too big, and you can cover a larger area with this. And the last size that is included is the large spatula here, and this is the size that I would use to wax my underarms. So the next items that were included in the kit were 25 each of the small and large natural muslin strips, and the muslin strips are what you use to actually pull the wax along with the hair off of the area that you are trying to wax. I gave these muslin strips away to my friend as well because I wanted to use the hard wax beads. I felt it was easier to use the hard wax beads instead of, applying the cream wax and then applying the strip and ripping it off. I thought it was just much easier if you just apply the wax and rip it off, and that's all you have to worry about. So the next thing that was included was 2 each of the face and body strips. I gave those away as well. So the next item that was included in the kit is the pre-hone. It is actually a pre-wax cleanser, and this is what that looks like. And it actually comes in a 2 fluid ounce size. And like I said, this is a pre-wax cleanser, and basically the cleanser just prepares your skin for waxing. So the next item included is the Slow Grow with Argan Oil Hair Minimizer, and this is what that looks like. I am not sure if this works or not, but I have not used it, and I just didn't use it because I didn't really feel a need to actually use it. I've been waxing for a while, and waxing slows the growth of your hair and it makes your hair finer as it grows back. So the next item that was included in the kit was Wax Off, and basically this is a wax remover for the skin. This is what it looks like. This is a 2 fluid ounce size as well. I have used this a couple of times, and I don't really think that this works for me, in my opinion, because I had a hard time getting the wax off with this cream. It's like a creamy solution. So I just basically get the leftover wax off when I take my shower, and yeah, so if you have used this wax off before, comment down below and let me know if it actually, got the wax off for you. So the next thing that was included is the post-wax cooling gel, and this is what that looks like. It is a skin refresher, and it contains aloe vera, cucumber, and menthol. And basically it's to refresh your skin, because it has just been through, a lot of trauma with you waxing and pulling out your hair. So I have not used this because I always reach for my aloe vera gel that I have already. So I think basically they would work the same. So I don't really know if this is a need. If you don't have aloe vera gel at home, then this would be something good for you to use. So next that was included was the Post-Epilation Lotion, and basically it is a skin moisturizer and it replenishes moisture and softness to your skin. And this is what that looks like. Haven't used this either. Like I said, I always reach for my aloe vera gel, and you know, I'm good. So the next thing that was included in the kit were these little wire looking handles here. And honestly, like, I thought that they were, you know, to hold the can some kind of way and to like lift it out of the warmer, but they're actually supposed to go inside of the wax can, if I can get it in there, and it sticks down in there, and then you take your little wooden spatula and you can just put it in there and let it rest up against the little wax rest bar. I guess it's pretty nifty. But yeah, that's what the wax rest bars are for. So the last thing that was included in the kit are these actual collars for the 14-ounce cans. And basically what you do is you will put this on the warmer first. That's what they look like. You would put this on the particular warmer first, and then you would set the can inside of it. So once you scoop out your wax, you know, and something drips, like it will drip on the actual collar here. I will insert a little clip to the side so you can see how it works. And so yeah, that is everything that was included in the kit. I will also say that they included an instruction manual as well, and it has a lot of great information in there, you know, telling you how to wax certain areas. And this is what that looks like, and it is in different languages as well. But I will say that I didn't use the instruction manual either. I just kind of went for it, y'all. So to determine if you really need to buy this Gigi Wax Pro Kit or not, you need to first decide what kind of wax you want to use. If you want to use like the soft wax or the cream wax, where you apply it to your skin and you actually use the little muslin strips to rip off the wax along with the hair, then I think this is a perfect kit for you. I mean, it basically comes with everything that you need. But if you want to use the hard wax beads like this, then I suggest you not buy the whole kit. I wish I would have done a little bit more research on what type of wax I wanted to use in the beginning, because I wouldn't have had to worry about giving away a good bit of the stuff that was included in the kit. Although I did give it to my best friend, which I didn't mind anyway, but still. I like using the wax beads over the cream wax or the soft wax, because with the wax beads, once you melt them down and you apply it to your skin, all you have to do is just rip off the wax and you're done. Like, you don't have to worry about applying wax, then getting a strip and then ripping. It's just you get the hard wax, you apply it to your skin and you rip it off, and that's it. So overall, I do feel that this wax kit is a great purchase for someone that is just starting out with waxing and likes to use the actual soft wax along with the muslin strips. However, if you prefer the hard wax beads, I would say that maybe you should not purchase the whole kit, because as mentioned, the kit includes the soft wax. Gigi does have the hard wax beads, but they are not included in this kit. So I did purchase the hard wax beads separately, and that tacked on an extra $20. But after using those hard wax beads and the Mermaid Wax Signature Series hard wax beads here, I will say that I actually prefer these Mermaid Wax beads better. It's just a better experience. Like the hard wax beads that I got from Gigi, like the wax was very loose and runny and messy. but these right here, it makes the wax the perfect consistency for you to apply to your skin and rip off. So that is pretty much it for this video. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you to decide if this kit was right for you or not. If you would like to see me wax my lip, chin, and underarms, please stay tuned to the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Get